This large 3-bedroom charming Dutch Colonial is located on a beautiful street in Prospect Park and conveniently located across the street from Interboro's elementary and kindergarten center. First floor offers an enclosed front porch, living room with a beautiful brick fireplace, dining room with sliding doors to a family room with an outside entrance to the shared driveway. The kitchen has the open floor plan to the dining room. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout the first floor. Second floor has 3 bedrooms, master bedroom has beautiful hardwood floors and a full hall bath. Basement is finished with a full bath, bar, utility room and laundry room. The large yard has mature plantings and plenty of shade for entertaining. The detached oversized one-car garage also has a workshop for all your hobbies and house chores. A private entrance into the garage gives easy access. Lots of sunlight in this charming home. Interior of